Hey guys, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐼𝐶 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, this is going to be a frequently asked question video. I'm going to be answering a question: what do you get when you join Infinity Processing System? So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I want to cover again what you get when you join Infinity Processing System. So if you are watching this video and you are interested in learning how to build a better affiliate marketing business using free social media and how to make money online with this digital product, then definitely continue to watch this video. At any point, you can check the link beneath this video to learn more. So let's get right into it. What is Infinity Processing System? Infinity Processing System is a home-based digital business opportunity. It allows you from home to be able to earn $50 to $300 instant commissions. It's also a training platform. So a lot of people struggle with making money online from simply not having the knowledge base or the skill sets on how to market online or how to promote things that they have online, whatever they have in their toolbox, whether you own a business or not. You need to understand how to market online. So Infinity Processing System gives you the base to be able to learn the skill sets on how to promote anything, how to brand any business and you with free social media marketing and not have to pay for paid ads. So that's what Infinity Processing System is. But before I jump into the question of what you get with Infinity Processing System, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little notifications bell so you never miss one of my videos where you can learn how to build an online business with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's talk about what you get when you join. So in Infinity Processing System, when you join, there are 3 membership levels, okay? And I'll take you over to the sales page in a second, but I kind of just want to run through what you get when you join. You're going to get there's 3 membership levels that you can join at. There's a $50 membership level, a $150 membership level, and a $300 membership level. Each one of those membership levels comes with a digital training package, which is going to train you on how to be your own boss and make money in the online space through social media marketing. Okay. In addition, you can earn at the level that you joined at, as well as any of the levels underneath. And what that means is, if you join at Pro, which is what most members do, which is a $300 level. If you join at that level, you are able to earn at that level. If someone comes in and buys at a 150 level, you're able to earn at that level. And if someone joins at 50, so you're able to earn at all 3 membership levels at the top. There's always benefits to being at the top. With Infinity Processing System, there is a one-time membership fee. There are no monthly fees, which is really awesome for people who are looking to get in a profit mode as soon as possible. You also get a done for you website. Okay, so there's a $25 fee for that, but they create a website for you. It's a high converting website. You don't have to think about what you need to put on the website to make it high converting. They already do that for you. That's very cool. You will also get access to a membership area that I'll show you in a second, where you're able to get training from a multiple 6-figure earner who is showing you her strategies that helped her become a multiple 6-figure earner. And guys, they're very simple strategies, right? And don't overcomplicate the simple, because it's the simple things with consistency that can help you build a brand and build consistent income in the online space. So that's what you get access to when you join. Of course, whichever membership package you get more training with the higher packages, but you are able to decide what membership package you want to buy. Again, each one of these membership packages includes training on how to market on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and you are able to decide which one of those platforms that you want to show up online and build your online business. There's even a module on paid traffic and marketing. Okay, now the next thing that you get when you join is the reseller opportunity. So you're not just going to get access to training on how to build a better business and how to market on social media, but you have the ability to actually earn commissions from promoting and referring other people to this platform. And she actually shows you how to do that within the training. So you can make $50, $150, and $300 direct instant commissions via Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, or Stripe. Okay. And then, hold on one second. So my screen is forwarding, but the other thing that you're going to get is you're going to get access to a Facebook community, um, which is a proof group and an actual support group where they're actually giving training and coaching, things like that, so that you can learn how to apply the strategies in a practical ways on social media. All right, so I just want to show you that I've gotten my own results. So if you look down here, you can see all the multiple $300 payments. This is my actual Stripe account. Okay. At this point, I've made almost $4,000 with Infinity Processing System, which is pretty cool. Via Stripe, via Cash App. No one's paid me yet via Zelle, but those are the primary ways that people decide to come in with me and to partner with me in this social media marketing training and reseller opportunity. So that's pretty cool. So those are my own personal results with Infinity Processing System. What I want to do is take you into our proof group and show you that other people are getting results with Infinity Processing System. So I'm here in the proof group and we have so many success stories that I could be scrolling for days, but I just wanted to point out a few and give congrats to our members who are applying the actual strategies in our membership area and are earning these commissions. And what I know from a lot of people who are applying the strategies, they're able to grow their other affiliate businesses as well, because the strategies that are in Infinity Processing System are universal. It's not just for you to learn how to promote Infinity Process, for you to learn how to promote whatever you want. Okay. So congrats to Erin Spence. She made a $300 commission. It looks like, yep, a pro. Um, Ada, she welcomed a pro member, which means she made $300. And Ada also made another three, so she made multiple $300 commissions. So that's really what it's about. I just wanted to quickly show you that our members are getting our results by applying the strategies inside the system from their one-time investment, and our members are getting the results applying the strategies. Now let me show you what the strategies are. Okay. So again, when you join Infinity Processing System, let me actually take you. Hold on one second. Okay, when you join Infinity Processing System, you get access to membership area. Now, based on what package you buy, your membership area will include more things based on what package you decide to buy. The membership package that I have purchased is the pro level. So it includes all the things on social. Hold on a second. That's my bestie calling me. Sorry, it includes all the things that you need to know for various platforms on social media. So when you join Infinity Processing System, there's going to be a welcome from Adriana, who's a multiple six-figure earner, and she goes through how to get started. She walks you through how to get set up right away. The next you is something that's very foundational in making money online and affiliate marketing. She shows you how to set up an automated sales funnel, which is extremely important in the online space. She shows you how to close more sales, what to say when people ask for information. She goes over our persuasion. All these are important in helping you build know, like, and trust and influence. And you will make more sales as an affiliate marketer when you have influence. Okay. You're able to, as a beginner, to come in and to begin leveraging pre-written ads and to begin to get eyeballs on what you're doing while you're learning these other social media marketing strategies. Okay. And then she gives you a 7-day action plan for success, where step by step, every day of the week, you know what you're supposed to be doing so that you're getting momentum in your business. And then you're able to come down here and you're able to pick one or two of these platforms, learn it, apply it, master it. And that's how you're going to have growth in your business. Okay. So for me, I have YouTube is my jam. If you wanted to learn YouTube marketing, you would come down here to YouTube automation and you will come down here. I always tell beginners, two platforms that are really great are YouTube and Facebook. Depending on your niche, TikTok might be really great for you. Like, for example, if you were in the credit repair niche or like weight loss products niche, TikTok marketing would be excellent for you. So that's pretty much that. She even goes over, paid marketing, how to purchase paid traffic, etc. And then she shows you how to automate your business with swipes. Okay, how to set up your autoresponder system, etc. So the way that you can get started is you would come over to the sales page. Again, the link is beneath this video. You would come over here to the sales page, read all the information on the sales page. She's very clear that this is not an overnight get rich quick scheme, but it has the power to change your life in ways that a 9 to 5 never will, because 9 to 5, your income is capped. Like, they tell you what your hourly rate or your salary is or whatever. You can create whatever income that you want if you're willing to learn the skills. Okay. And that's what she teaches you, is actual skill sets. Okay. Is branded to you. So your page will be branded to you. There will be a button for someone to connect with you on social media. If they have questions, it goes over how to get started and how to get paid. And then you're able to select your package. So you come over here, you can pick which package, look over all 3 of the packages. Again, the packages, the Elite and the Pro, you're going to get more training. So it's really about what your goals are and how much income you want to earn and how much training you want to acquire, because knowing that those skill sets will translate into income when you apply them. Okay. So that's pretty much that. That's all our members are doing, are learning these strategies, applying these strategies, and then making commissions from these strategies. So that is the formula. All right, so I just kind of wanted to point that out. You can scroll through and see all the earning potential for each one of the packages. And that's pretty much that. All right, so if you're ready to get started, when you partner with me, you're going to get access to my exclusive bonuses. My bonuses are designed to, share with you the things that I have learned along my time as an affiliate marketer to help shortcut it for you. You also will get access to me as well if you have questions and things like that along your journey. And that's pretty much that. So smash that subscribe button, and I look forward to you getting started with Infinity Processing Systems. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.